in the leafy, high-security enclave of Hyde Park, where the hum of electric fences and the discreet patrols of private security usually define the atmosphere, the silence was shattered on a Thursday afternoon. The quiet of one of Johannesburg's most affluent suburbs was replaced by the clinical efficiency of the South African Police Service (SAPS) as they descended upon a luxury property. Sarabila mashukobra toka pangwa ine panawo aiwa ekwa Chatunga Mugabe Nhai subscribe or like on the bell icon tibila mnamoda nyuko mchinsi. At the center of the storm was Belaman Chatunga Mugabe, the 28-year-old youngest son of the late Zimbabwean strongman Robert Mugabe. He was led away in handcuffs, leaving behind a trail of spent cartridges, a critical injured employee, and a growing cloud of diplomatic tension that threatens to test the limits of accountability for the continent's former first family. The incident, which occurred on February 19, 2026, has been described by police as a case of attempted murder. According to official reports, a 23-year-old man believed to be a gardener or household employee in the property where Mugabe was staying was shot once. The victim was rushed to a nearby hospital where he remains in a critical condition. In the immediate aftermath of the shooting, the scene inside the house was one of the chaotic defiance. Reports from the site suggest that Chatunga initially locked himself inside a room and refused to come out when SAPS officers arrived. A final desperate attempt to maintain the shield of privilege that has protected him for most of his life. Colonel Dimakatso Nevuhuri, a spokesperson for the Gauteng police, confirmed the arrest of Chatunga and one other unidentified man. Speaking to the media outside the property, Nevuhuri highlighted a significant hurdle in the investigation: the missing weapon. The two suspects have not told us where the gun is. They are not saying anything about the gun, she stated. The absence of the firearm led to an intense search of the grounds involving K9 units and police divers who combed through the property's swimming pool and garden, looking for the piece of evidence that could definitively link the accused to the crime. While bullet cartridges were recovered from the scene, the weapon itself remains a mystery, adding a layer of suspicion to an already murky situation. For those living in the vicinity of Mugabe's residence, the sound of gunfire was not entirely unexpected. One security guard working in the area, who spoke on condition of anonymity, claimed that disturbances at the home were a recurring theme. Gunshots at the Mugabe home are frequent. He remarked, painting a picture of a household where the rules of civil society seemed not to apply. The latest incident is not an isolated outburst, but rather the latest chapter in a long history of legal skirmishes and allegations of violences that have followed Chatunga across borders. Domashkwana budanyi panyo kwa pango ine wano nyama schedules anoza pakamboitika these gunshots anonoka kunzi in August 2024, July 2025 and February 2026. Doma developments aripo mu Zimbabwe. Birango message medu za fungulo edmut kudipa msoro pe chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.